Thesis statement. Despite the fact that Little Red Riding Hood is typically viewed as a children's story telling about the perils of the phenomenon known as stranger danger, the tale can also be viewed through the prism of transitioning from childhood to adulthood and, therefore, be interpreted as a cautionary tale about sexual relationships and the associated sexual discoveries, as well as the threats that one may face in the process. Particularly, in the context of contemporary relationships, the specified issues may include the threats of sexual predators, stalking, date rape, consent, etc. Themes in Little Red Riding Hood. The story of Little Red Riding Hood exists in numerous iterations, yet it is mostly known owing to its interpretation by Charles Perrault and the Grimm brothers. The story might seem rather basic, yet it renders a range of issues associated with the transition from childhood to adulthood. For instance, the red color signifies the threat and fear that may accompany the said experience. Similarly, the hairiness of the wolf, which is often mentioned in the story, can be interpreted as the symbol of maleness and, therefore, the means of juxtaposing the male characteristics of the wolf with the female ones of Little Red Riding Hood, as well as the supposed experience of the wolf with the innocence of the titular character. Furthermore, the narrative includes the description of the scenes of flower picking, which can be defined as inherently feminine actions. Therefore, the contrast between femininity and masculinity as it is represented in Western culture can also be viewed as one of the primary themes of the story. It should be borne in mind, though, that the integration of the specified interpretation of the fairy tale also includes the predator-victim perspective since it defines male characteristics as intrinsically dangerous ones. Little Red Riding Hood has many interpretations, yet the one that defines the relationships between its characters as sexualized ones seems to be the closest to the truth. Serving as a cautionary tale about the perils of inappropriate sexual behavior, Little Red Riding Hood is also highly relevant to contemporary culture. It helps children contextualize the phenomenon of stranger danger, as well as shape their further understanding of sex-related issues such as consent, the threat of sexual predators, etc. You can find this and many other essay samples on our website studycorgi.com.